Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view Myspace photos. If you'd like to view a photo collection of a particular person on Myspace, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. Go to www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged into your Myspace account in order to view pictures of a particular profile. Go to the People tab from the left-hand side corner of the screen. You can enter a name of a particular person or an artist in the text box that appears at the top where it says Connect with People. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the search results appearing based on your search. Click on your choice and you'll end up in their profile. In the left-hand side menu at the top left, you'll be able to see several options right under the profile of the particular person. Click on Photos in order to view their photos. That is how you'll be able to view Myspace photos of a particular person. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.